Hello, dear teachers. Welcome to BBConnect, our advanced and future-ready ERP platform designed for educational institutions. In this video, we will dive deeper into the online class module and learn how to add lessons. After you log into the app, look for the three-line menu button at the top left of your dashboard. Click on it to open the main menu. From the available options, select Online Course. Here you'll see all the courses assigned to you. Locate and select the desired course or subject. Inside the course, if you scroll down, you'll find two buttons: Add Sections and Order Section. We will use the first button, Add Sections. After you press this button, give a name to the section. It can be assignment, tutorial, or any title you want to display. Once the section is saved, you'll see several buttons inside the section you created. The first button lets you add and share lessons in various formats. The second allows you to create and share quizzes for students. The third is for creating online exams. The fourth is for adding assignments. The fifth and sixth buttons are for editing the section name and deleting the entire section, respectively. Let's explore what the first button can do. To add a lesson, click the plus button, and you'll go to the interface where you enter the title. For lesson type, select video. Choose YouTube as the provider. For this, you will have to upload your video to your personal YouTube channel beforehand so you can easily share here. Now, to get the video URL, we open the YouTube, go to the video, click Share, copy the link, then come back here and paste the URL here. Add the duration like as per your lesson. Pick a thumbnail image from Google or elsewhere and upload here. Write a summary or overview of the lesson before saving. Then after everything is done, save the lesson. Now the video appears under this section and students can access it in their app. This is how you share video lessons with them. Next, chart to add a document or PDF as an online lesson, use the same title, but select PDF or document as the lesson type. Attach your file from your device, add a thumbnail image, and enter the overview or summary that shows at the top for students to read before attending the lesson. Save it, and students can download the document from here. You can edit anything later with the pencil button. If you want another section, click Add Section again and add different lessons under it in the same way. That's it. You've successfully created your online lesson in the BBConnect app. In the same way, we'll cover quizzes and exams tutorial in another video. Thank you.